Hi. Hope you have seen the Part 1 video. In case if you missed, I recommend to watch it. Link is available in the description. How do you allocate resources in project? Generally man, machine and material are considered as resources, and when it comes specific to resource allocation in interview question, the focus is on human resource and your approach for team allocation has been tested. In traditional project management methodology, resource requirement is calculated at activity level and then summed up to project level. Resource calendar and resource skill set profile is also used during resource allocation. While allocating resources skills, experience, interest, cost and location needs to be factored. Also please make some buffers as contingency reserve. Next question. How do you handle a team member who is not productive? The term unproductive may mean team members unable to meet their deadlines, not focusing on work and indulged in office politics at the workplace, not actively participating in team meetings, delivery of service by team members are not as per expectation or not as per quality standards. Having said that, what can be the possible cause of unproductiveness of the team member? Here's some of the possible causes. Lack of ability to do the work. Assigned task is beyond the capability of an individual. Lack of common understanding between manager and team about the nature and scope of work. Lack of cooperation and coordination between team members and unproductive team member. Lack of interest and motivation. Lack of tools needed to do the assigned task effectively. After seeing the causes, here are some steps to minimize the unproductivity. Communication. Effective communication is essential for successful completion of an assigned task or project. Communicate effectively the nature and scope of assigned tasks to the team members. Communicate the role of each team members properly so they understand the importance of their roles in the project and give best efforts to complete it efficiently and effectively. Providing training. Ensure whether team requires any kind of training to complete the assigned task or not. Providing training will update and enhance the skills of team members and helps in completing the tasks effectively. Motivation, recognition, and support. Provide motivation and recognition to team members timely to keep motivated and work efficiently. Ensure the team that has support and availability is always with the team. Hence answering this question, you can say, based on the cause of the unproductivity, you can take the appropriate corrective action. We will move on to next question. How do you delegate tasks? You should answer this question with specific examples of methods you use to delegate tasks. Sample answer. First I will explain to the team member on why I am delegating and make sure they see each delegated task as an opportunity to take on more responsibilities or grow new skills. I will set the right expectation by clearly explaining the goals or the milestones and let them tackle the problem in their own way. If the member is not confident on doing their own way for whatsoever reason, I will provide the necessary instruction to them on how to perform the task. I will ensure required resources are provided to carry out the task and if required, I will arrange for training. Though I am against micromanagement, I may have occasional follow-up and verify the work. Finally, once the work is done I will say a big thanks and public appreciation whenever possible. Next question. How do you handle a difficult stakeholder? By asking this question, employer is trying to gauge your people and situation management skills. Generally companies are interested in project managers who can inspire cooperation between all parties. Interviewers asking this question are looking for stories that will prove you have these necessary soft skills for the job. Make sure to brainstorm stories about your former project management roles in anticipation of this question and use them as a confirmation that you have the mediation skills that these hiring managers are looking for. Sample answer. I do my homework to understand various stakeholders and to gain insights on how to best prepare for my interactions with the stakeholder. Always I ensure they are feeling heard, valued, and appreciated so that it grows trust and support. Also I strive to build better relationships and understanding their motivation which helps to build a good rapport with them in the long run. Next question. What project metrics do you use to ensure project is progressing on track? This question can help to gauge how the project manager approaches managing a team and handles various time and budgetary concerns. Project management metrics enable project managers to assess status of ongoing project in terms of schedule, cost, and profitability. Foresee any potential risks. Nail down the problems much before they become severe. Assess productivity of team. Assess quality of work products to be delivered. Sample answer. I use the following metrics to ensure the project is on track. Schedule and cost variance. Resource utilization matrix. Number of change requests. Risk logs.